Yeah, hi there guys. Again, this is Michael from the 7-Step System to pass the TOEFL IBT, and I want to tell you guys a little bit about how to use Step 7, which is my speaking section of my course. Remember, I have 7 steps. I have vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Now, what you want to do is, you'll notice in my speaking part of my course, there's 14 lessons. These lessons help you in terms of understanding how to organize the independent and the integrated speaking tasks. Before you do an independent practice test, a speaking practice test, make sure you review the appropriate lessons that help prepare you to answer that kind of a question. Likewise, when you're getting ready to do my integrated speaking practice test, make sure you review the lessons that help you understand how to organize your response for the integrated speaking task, right? So then, take a practice test. And you guys know at my 7-Step System, I have a link that will take you guys to my VoxyPop discussion group. That's where you're going to actually post your practice test. There, either I or one of my workers will listen to the practice test, and we will evaluate your speaking practice test in 3 areas. Your delivery, your grammar and your language use, and also your topic development. So we'll try to give you ideas as to how you're doing in those 3 areas. You also notice that we will post a link at the VoxyPop Talk group. It'll be a link to some rubrics which will describe the score that you got. It'll tell you why you received the score you did on the speaking practice test, and it will suggest specific lessons from my course that you can focus on to help you improve. You'll notice sometimes when you guys are doing a practice test, I might refer you to my grammar section of my course. I might refer you back to my vocabulary section. I might refer you to my pronunciation section, right? And it means that if you study certain lessons in these different parts of my course, it will help you improve your overall speaking and your fluency of American English. And that's pretty much how the speaking section works, all right? For you, you know that I have a rule at my VoxyPop discussion group is to post 1 speaking practice test per day. And I do that so that I have enough time to listen and respond to all of my students. So I want to make sure that everybody gets a fair chance to have their speaking practice test evaluated by a TOEFL IBT specialist. And by doing 1 per day, that allows us to do that. And currently this month, we have about 180 subscribers at my service. And with if I and another one of my workers together, both of us can usually stay ahead each day and score the practice test as you guys post them. And little by little, as you go through the lessons and you take the practice test, I promise you, if you work hard and you post your practice test every day, you will get 26 points out of 30 on the TOEFL speaking section. You're going to do it. The question is when. How long will it take before you can reach that goal? I can't answer that, but I do know if you keep practicing and keep posting your practice tests and you keep getting feedback from us, you will definitely get better.